guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. And this is Tushita here. So I guess आपको caption से पता चल गया होगा कि today's vlog is about IKEA. And we are going IKEA today. So it's about IKEA vlog plus haul जो मैं आपको last में दिखाने वाली हूँ. I guess it's been a year that we have shifted to this house. तो still बहुत कुछ मतलब अरेंज हो गया इस घर में एंड स्टिल बहुत कुछ करना बाकी है इस घर में. देयर इज़ वन पार्ट ऑफ द रूम विच इज़ माई ऑफिस, आई मीन माई क्लॉजेट प्लस ऑफिस रूम जो अभी तक अरेंज नहीं हुआ है. तो मुझे उस रूम को अरेंज करने के लिए आई वॉन्ट अ चेस्ट ऑफ ड्रॉर्स. तो मुझे वो वाइट में चाहिए था एंड हाँ मतलब अच्छा क्वालिटी. आई न्यू ये मुझे IKEA में मिलेगा फॉर श्योर इन वाइट कलर and I'm excited because after many months we're going to IKEA. So yeah, it's around 11 o'clock and post lunch we are going to IKEA. So yeah, see you guys after some time. So it's 3 p.m. now and we are just done with our lunch. So like you can see, I'm done with my makeup and now I'll be choosing what I'm gonna wear for IKEA. So basically I wanted to wear something comfortable yet chic and cool. So I'll be wearing this oversized t-shirt and then I'll be wearing I'll be wearing this white pant and I'll pair the outfit with my black toes. I'll be using this bag and for shoes I'll be wearing this pair of white shoes. So yeah, so I'll quickly get ready and we'll see you guys in some time. So I'm ready now and we are leaving. So we just arrived here at IKEA and काफ़ी लोग आए हुए लग रहे हैं and we are here at the parking. First thing from IKEA that we're picking up is from one of the Kaushik's must buy list are this sponge जो बर्तन साफ करने के लिए होता है. And we are confused कि कौन सा सोफ़ा हम लोग लें. I really like the look of this sofa, but कौशिक को वो पहला वाला सोफ़ा बहुत पसंद आया. And I'm confused. तो इसका प्राइस है actually 39,000. This sofa along with this two-seater. It looks good, but yeah, let's see. What's the price? 18,000.
Oh, color is about rate as well.
So online कितना दिखा रहा है? 169.
Same.
It's almost same. Okay.
Almost no, same.
Okay, it's same. So this first floor is mainly to give us a rough idea कि कहाँ पे कि हम लोग क्या डेकोरेट कर सकते हैं रूम को. And नीचे जाके you can buy the products. And right now we have entered the sofa section or the furniture section. And काफ़ी कलेक्शंस है यहाँ पे. And I found this cutest footstool. I just love this houndstooth print. It's so stylish, but it costs around 6,000. तो बजट में नहीं है. Next time. So we love this sofa style. बहुत यूनिक है. And probably हम लोग यही लेंगे, मतलब यहाँ से नहीं लेंगे लेकिन ऑनलाइन शायद इसी को लेंगे. नॉट श्योर अबाउट द कलर दो. थक गए. And I again found this cute vintage Victorian style mirror and it cost around 1690. Nice price, quite affordable. अब ये भी मेरे लिस्ट में आ गया. So I found this chest of drawers जो हम लोग देख रहे थे ऑनलाइन. Cost around 7,990. So yeah, it looks good. It looks sturdy and it's quite spacious. And then I found this cloth rack which is around 1290 and मेरे दिमाग में था ही लेने के लिए यहाँ पे जब आऊँगी तो. I found this vase which cost around 145 rupees and I think this flowers looks good in this vase. Yeah. I'm so exhausted. शॉपिंग हो गई है एंड मेरा पैर दुख रहा है अभी. So अभी घर जाएंगे and भूख तो लगी है. We will have some food outside. So yeah, that would be all about the IKEA shopping. So it's day 2 and I'm here in front of you for the haul video. तो कल रात को I couldn't shoot because we came back home really exhausted and then we went for dinner outside and then again we came back home and then we slept. That's it. So I'll refer to this bill because मुझे याद नहीं है किस किस का कितना कितना price है. So I got 3 furnitures. One is the chest of 5 drawers and then stool and then the last one is the clothing rack. The furnitures that we have got, out of those 3, 2 of them are yet to be delivered, which are the drawers and the clothing rack. उसका slot आज रात का है around 6 PM to 8 PM, so I'm waiting for that to come. तब तक I can just show you the pictures of the product that we have ordered. Somewhere up in the video it will be there. Now let me show you what we have got along with us. So I love plants and I got one artificial plant from IKEA this time. Last year I got a real plant from IKEA, Areca palm, that died. I don't know, either the plant was not good or I couldn't take care of it, because I heard from some other people as well ki the Areca palm, the real one which they have got from IKEA, that even died. So I'm not sure if the problem is with the plant or is with us that we couldn't take care of it. But I didn't want to take chance this time, so I got the artificial plant from IKEA. This is how it looks. The best thing about IKEA's artificial plants is that it doesn't look artificial. It looks real. Don't you think it looks literally real? I used to order artificial plants and flowers from Amazon, but it really looks artificial. So I stopped ordering from Amazon. So I decided if I have to get some artificial plants and flowers, I'll get from IKEA. It cost a bit high, but it's really worth it. It looks really good. It doesn't look artificial like I already mentioned. So yeah, this is it. And it was around okay, so the real price of this plant is 2790, but we got in discount at around 800. So yeah, it was worth it. And I'll planning to keep this beside my office desk. So the next thing I got is this fur rug. I literally have a thing for fur. I mean, be anything. Fur rugs, fur mats, fur chairs, or anything in fur outfit. I have a thing for fur. I love fur. And the moment I saw this, I was like, I have to get it, because last time when I went to IKEA, I didn't get it because I was not sure कि मैं कहाँ रखूँगी. But this time I was only focusing on my office room. कि I want everything in white and bright. So this rug fits perfectly. This I will keep it under my desk, under my chair, where I can keep my feet over this rug and will work with the warmth. So yeah, and it's really soft. I love it. But one thing is that I have to be very careful because it's white and इसका गंदा होने का बहुत ज़्यादा chance है, which my husband already warned me about. But I'll try to keep it clean and neat and white as possible. So yeah, this is how it looks, and it was around 999. So yeah. And the third thing which we got are these bath mats. We got similar ones last time and those got a little dirty and old, so we're replacing those old bath mats with this new one. So yeah, it's soft and feels really comfortable when you can just come out of the bathroom and just place your feet on these mats. So yeah, and the price of this was around 279. Like one is 279, so total it's 558. Now next thing is this stool, white stool, which came dismantled. We have to assemble it. So yeah, the plan is to keep this beside my desk, and once I assemble, we'll keep that artificial plant over this stool so that it'll just pop out beside the desk. And yeah, this is quite heavy and looks really sturdy, and it's white. And this is around 299. So yeah. The next thing I got are these white carnation flowers. So just guess, is it real or artificial? Of course these are fake and artificial, because like I said, I don't want to take chance this time. So I got this artificial carnation flowers which looks really real, and I got this because these are white again. And for this I got this transparent vase, which I'll keep it here like this, and it looks really pretty, don't they? And I'll keep this entire thing over my chester, and yeah, this is it. So one flower costs around 49 rupees, and the vase is around 145. So yeah. Now next thing I got are these boxes. I got this to keep my makeup products. So one box is for my face products, then the second one is for the lipsticks, and the third one is for the eye products. So I got this three because this looks really good and it's really spacious. So I'll keep these things under my drawer because it'll keep them organized, and yeah, it'll be easier for me to pick up the products whichever I want. And it looks really good. The material is really good. And I got this because these are not expensive at all. It's around 10 rupees per box. So yeah. Then the next best thing I got from IKEA is this waste bin. I got this because again it's white and it looks really good. I was searching similar one in the Amazon. I didn't get it. I didn't like the style of it. So I got this simple and really good looking one in IKEA, and it's really big, it's really spacious. So I'll keep this under my desk, and it was not expensive. It's around 95 rupees. So yeah, nice buy. So, and the next thing I got is this paper napkins. There were many other paper napkins as well. Like they were in colored napkins, then some were in design napkins. So I just chose for this one because जो पुराना वाला paper napkins है वो खत्म होने वाला है. So we got this, and it was around 199. काफी बड़ा है, and I feel it's worth the price. Then the next thing we got is this shoe bag. It's actually a pack of 2. ये मेरे husband ने लिया है because he wanted to keep his shoes inside his bag. Just to protect the shoes from dust, he got this. And yeah, this was around, it's around 70 rupees I got, I think. We need to cover it, and I'm confused. Okay, it's 70 rupees. So yeah. Now the next thing we got is this mirror. ये मेरे husband के लिए essential नहीं था, but it's essential for me. Okay, this will give a closer view when I'm applying my makeup or while I'm shooting. Also because it's cute. It's pink in color. There was another one, but that was in black color. I didn't want black, so I got this pink one. It's cute. I'll keep it over my chest out. And yeah, and this cost us around $4.99. So yeah. This is my next buy. Is this big and huge box. It's transparent, and I got this to keep all my DIY stuff, the paints, the artificial flowers. Most of my DIY things will be inside this box, and I'll keep it inside my cupboard. And yeah, क्योंकि बहुत सारे सामान अभी जो मेरे ऑफिस रूम में है वो बस नीचे फ्लोर पे है, because जगह नहीं है रखने के लिए, because there are no furnitures, no storage box to keep them, and this should be sufficient enough to store all my DIY products, hopefully, finger crossed. And it was around $3.99. Yeah, this was around $3.99. Now the next thing we got are these two storage box. Yes, another storage box क्योंकि मुझे चीज़ें store करनी है. And I'll be storing my hats, my scarf, and other products under these storage boxes. And it's cloth material, which I'll keep it above my cupboard. It'll be like once I assemble this, it'll be like, you know, square boxes. So yeah, these two similarly they have in gray color, but I didn't go for gray because you guys might be knowing why I didn't go for gray. I chose white. And yeah, now the price of this box is around $2.99. Yeah, it was around $2.99 for one box. So yeah, okay, so there are a few of my must buy things whenever I go to IKEA. One is this silk clips. It's really important क्योंकि many times it happens जब भी कोई for example chips का packet हम लोग खाते तो वो complete नहीं हो पाता है, and instead of keeping this chips का packet open, I can use this silk clips to seal it ताकि फिर से next time खाए तो it'll be almost the same, it'll not get moist. So these are for those kind of use. Then this scrubber बर्तन मांजने के लिए. Okay, the cost for this was around 79 rupees. 79 rupees. This scrub, this is around 69 rupees. And then I got this cutlery set. This was around 237. They had the big spoon, the small spoon, and the fork. And this is pack of 12. Sorry, 4. 4 spoons, 4 big spoons, 4 small spoons, and 4 forks. So yeah. And the last thing which we got is this scissor. And this was around, I'm not sure. Obviously, iska zara nahi hoga, but yeah. So that's the end of the haul video. Hope you liked it. And yeah, if you love the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So see you guys in my next vlog. Bye bye.